Hello, my name is Lillian Okibe. Welcome to my channel. Aloe Vera is said to be the magic plant. It has been used for centuries to treat various skin and hair issues. It is so beneficial that it is a major ingredient in thousands of hair and skincare products. Some benefits of aloe vera include boosting hair growth, improving shine of hair, reducing breakage, improving moisture retention, among others. No wonder naturals like Naptural85 and Mercy Gono absolutely swear by it. I did not start using aloe vera until last year, and I can confidently tell you that everything you've heard about aloe vera is true. In this video, I'll be showing you 4 different ways to incorporate aloe vera into your hair routine so that you can also testify to the fact that it is the king of herbs. The first way to use aloe vera is as a pre-poo. So for this, you need a whole, the whole aloe vera plant. So what you do is you take the aloe vera plant and slice off the spiky part of the plant. My aloe vera is actually pretty small. I know that this is not the size of aloe vera you're used to seeing. So you slice off the spiky part and then you divide the aloe vera into 2 equal halves. So it should look something like this after dividing. Then you go ahead and pinch the aloe vera to release the juice, and then you go ahead to apply all over your hair, both on your hair and your scalp. These can leave particles in your hair, so if you do not want that, you can just scrape out the juice, blend it, and then sieve it before you go ahead to apply all over your hair. But basically, you're applying the aloe vera on your hair and your scalp before you shampoo your hair. This method is really good if this is your first time using aloe vera and you really do not know if you're going to like it or not. The aloe vera will also help you to detangle your hair and to keep your hair soft after shampooing. So after applying all over your hair, you go ahead and cover your hair with plastic bag and leave for a few minutes before washing. Another way to use aloe vera is to add it to your deep conditioner. So what you do here is that you blend your aloe vera or you boil it and sieve it. Then you add it to your deep conditioner, or you add it to your whether it's a store-bought deep conditioner or a DIY deep conditioner. For this, I like to use my aloe vera to make DIY, so I actually used it as one of my ingredients for my DIY deep conditioner, as you can see in this video. So this is the consistency that I use. So I'm just going ahead to apply that all over my hair. If you want to see how I make the deep conditioner, I'm going to leave the video in the cards so you can go ahead and watch. This is my favorite way of using the aloe vera because I do not have to shampoo my hair afterwards. So that means that the aloe vera remains in my hair all through the week, but in a very light quantity so that it doesn't leave that gel-like cast in my hair. The third way to use aloe vera is as a hair and scalp treatment. So this is how I make mine. I take some aloe vera and some ginger, and then I slice the aloe vera. After slicing the aloe vera, it should look something like this. And then I go ahead to peel off the skin from the ginger, and then I also grate the ginger just to make it easier for all the nutrients to dissolve into the water when it's time for me to cook. So I grate the ginger and then I mix the aloe vera and the ginger together. Then I add some water. You basically just add as much water as you want, but this is the amount of water I add, just to give you an idea of how much it is. So after adding the water, I go ahead and cook for 10 to 15 minutes, and it should look something like this. Then I strain to remove all the particles, and then it's ready to be used. I basically just spray it into my hair and my scalp and cover with a plastic bag and leave for a few minutes. I do this after washing my hair, so it's a lot similar to the deep conditioner because it lingers in my hair all through the week. So this is what I actually used to use as my deep conditioner until very recently when I started my new recipe. The final way I like to use my aloe vera is as a moisturizing spritz. Unlike all the previous ones that I've shown you guys, this one does not need you to rinse it or wash it off. So this is actually like the one that will linger in your hair the most. But if you usually encounter dryness, then I highly recommend that you do not use the plain aloe vera juice. You dilute it with some water before applying. That's actually the way I like to use it. I dilute the aloe vera with water so that I have 1 part aloe vera and 3 parts water. I mix it all together in a spray bottle, and then I apply on my hair as a moisturizing spritz in between my wash days whenever I want to moisturize my hair. You spray the aloe vera and water mixture into your hair just before applying your moisturizer, and then you go ahead to apply whatever moisturizer you normally use and braid or style your hair however you like to do it. To get out the juice for this method, you scoop out all the gel from the aloe vera plant and then you blend it. Then you sieve the mixture to get out the juice. That way you do not have particles of aloe vera lingering in your hair all through the week, because that's really difficult to get out. This is what my hair looks like after moisturizing. You can see how juicy it is. With that, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.